Where's my water slide? It was right here yesterday. It's completely gone.
Maybe Dad moved it somewhere. I'll look behind the tree. Maybe it is near the fence.
Only one little piece is left. The whole slide is gone. I really loved that slide.
Dad, where is the watchguard, and go into my father about the missing slide in
Dad, where's the water slide? I looked everywhere outside. I can't find it.
The slide was very old, Henry. Explains that the old water slide was removed. Some parts were broken. It was not safe anymore.
Can we build a new one that the old slide can't be repaired and ask if we can build something new? Maybe we can make something smaller. I really want to play in water.
Lily, I have an idea. My idea to build something new. What if we build something? Maybe we can make a new water slide. I can draw the plan. We can make a little hill. Then the water can run down.
First, we need a safe plan. We can use some of these materials. Then we can build carefully.
Tomorrow, we can start building. It will not be easy, but we can build it together.
Today we build the next morning by preparing for the water slide project. And now the children builders need Rainbow Slide.
I am ready, Dad. I cannot wait to... Is this enough wood, Dad? It does not look like much, but I hope it works.
Hold this piece here, Henry. Keep it steady. Good. That is it.
It looks like a little bridge, but it will become a slide. Just wait and see.
This plastic is really smooth. Will we put it on the wood? It can become the slide.
Stop! This piece is too rough. We must fix it first. Safety comes before fun. We check every piece carefully. A small, sharp edge can hurt. That is why we inspect everything.
Now it fits much better. The surface is smooth. We can keep going. Is the pool in the right place? I might come down quickly. We need to check it carefully.
It is not finished yet, but it is finally becoming real. Tomorrow, we will continue.
Today we need to finish the slide. I want to test it soon. It already looks amazing.
The pool must be in a safe place. We need enough space here. Let's move it a little.
A little farther this way. Yes, right there! Now the landing area looks better.
Before we test it, we check everything. The surface looks smooth. The frame feels strong.
Look! The water is moving. It is going down the slide. This might really work. It reached the pool. The water stayed on the slide. We did it! Dad, look at the garden. The water is going that way. That could be a problem.
We need to guide the extra water. It should stay away from the flowers. We need a water path.
What about this empty space? It is far from the garden. Maybe the water can go here.
That could work, Henry. Tomorrow we can build the water path. Then we can test everything again.
We need a simple water path. It should guide the water away. Let's make it safe and strong.
Start here, then go this way. The path should slowly move downhill. That will help the water.
The path needs a gentle slope. Water should not flow toward the garden. This direction is better.
We are making progress. The path is starting to appear. Soon the water can use it.
Mom, look what we built. The water has its own path now. Isn't it great?
It looks wonderful, Henry. But reminds me the project Harry's testing. But remember, we test everything first. Then we can have fun.
We really built it. The slide, the pool, and the water path. It looks like a real project. Yay! Now the water stays on the slide. Then it reaches the pool, and the extra water moves away.
It needs one more thing. It needs some color. Let's make our slide beautiful.
We lost our old water slide, but we built something new together. And this is only the beginning.